Good morning from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan. This is the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Wednesday, October the 2nd, 2013. Taking a look at the hazardous weather highlights for the next several days. First off today, we have elevated fire danger across northern lower Michigan. And again, mainly this afternoon. That will be due to some warmer temperatures and low afternoon relative humidity values. Then there's a chance of thunderstorms across northern Michigan for Friday afternoon through Saturday night. But starting with the current weather map from the overnight period, we have a weak cold front that's pushing east of the state here this morning. Just some clouds mainly with this system as it moved on through last evening and is now east of our area. Behind the front, high pressure and a wedge of very dry air will build across the Great Lakes region for today. This will lead to abundant sunshine, some fairly warm temperatures for the early part of October with highs in the upper 60s to the upper 70s. But again, we do expect some very low afternoon relative humidity values, and that will lead to the elevated fire danger for this afternoon. As we head into tonight and then into Thursday morning, an area of low pressure will organize across the plains and begin to nudge into the western Great Lakes overnight and going into Thursday. This will push a warm front into the Midwest and ultimately into the state as we head through the day on Thursday. Rain chances will increase along and ahead of this front, of this system, as we head into Thursday morning. We do expect tonight to be dry, but rain chances will increase through the day on Thursday. And the system will stick around for the next few days as a few waves of low pressure push up into the Great Lakes region. By Friday morning, another wave of low pressure will ride into the Great Lakes region. And then by Saturday, one final surge of low pressure will begin to work into the region. And then finally working through the area on Sunday. This will keep the weather unsettled basically from Thursday and right on through much of the weekend, with things starting to dry out as we head in the latter half of the weekend and in the start of next week. We do expect thunder chances as these waves of low pressure move through the area, and again that will be mainly for Friday through Saturday night. Here's a look at the 5-day precipitation forecast starting today and working through Monday, covering this upcoming system. Could see quite a bit of rain across the northern plains into the upper Midwest and even parts of the northern Great Lakes region, with rain amounts then trailing off substantially as you get into the southern half of the state. But recapping once again, warm weather continues for today. And then several periods of rain and thunderstorms expected for Thursday into Sunday. But for today, lots of sun, continued warm, with very low afternoon humidity values expected. Daytime high temperatures will range from the middle 60s across eastern upper Michigan to the middle 70s across parts of lower Michigan. And again, that will lead to, and with some low afternoon relative humidity values expected as well. So that will lead to our fire danger this afternoon. Burning permits are not being issued over much of the state, but please check before you do any burning or here today or the next day or so. Then thunderstorm chances, mainly Friday afternoon through Saturday night. Possible across all of northern Michigan as that warm front and waves of low pressure move on through. And again, the best chance Friday night into Saturday. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 p.m. this afternoon.